Hello everyone. So let's start this topic on clocks. So what is the most important thing in this particular video and this particular topic, that you are going to read the theory which I have provided above of this link. If you are directly watching it from YouTube, please refer to our post, watch it from there, because the theory or everything is mentioned there. I have exclusively written the theory outside because sometimes you need to refer it again, because it's a concept, you may forget it. But once you get the thing, you will not need to memorize it, just refer it if you forget it. So we'll start. What is the most important thing under this topic? That, see, there is 12 divisions, like 1, 2, 3, and it goes up to 12, and each of them, the spacing between these are, like, if it's 1 and it's 12, this is 2 and 3, 30 degree each, right? So 12 division and then into 30 is 360 degree. It's very simple. And the other thing is the hour hand. The hour hand is covering at each minute half degree, right? And the minute hand 6 degree per minute. So these are the important thing to know once you are dealing with the questions where the time is given and the angle is asked. So I'm pretty sure that you must have all seen different kind of methods, or if you haven't seen it and you're starting it here, this is the best way to solve this question, which you don't even need to memorize. So now let's start with some questions. So what kind of questions will be asked? Let's take it. Imagine you are asked to find the time for 3:40 p.m. So whatever is there given, you need to find the angle. I'm sorry. If the clock is showing 3:40 p.m., this is based on analog. It's very obvious. So what you need to do here is just draw a rough diagram. Don't think so much. Just draw a rough. So think like 3 is here, and the 40 will be 6 will be here, which is 30, and on the 8th one it will be 40, right? This is the minute hand and this is the hour hand. So we will fix the minute hand. We'll exactly what is given. So think, what is the angle between them? See, from here till here, how many are there? Like 3 divisions each, right? 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. So basically 5 into 30 degree, so 150 degrees there. But again, as we know, each minute the hour hand will also tilt. So as we have already fixed this, there is no issue with us. So where it will tilt? Towards this side, right? Little bit. So how much will it tilt is based on the minute thing, right? It has traveled for 40 minutes. So for 40 minutes our hand will tilt half degree. So into half is 20. 20 degree it will tilt downwards, right? So you will subtract 20 from this. So the answer will be nothing as 130 degree, which is very simple. The only thing in this you need to do is just draw a rough diagram. Don't think so much. Just put 3 there. 40 is fixed where it shows approximately in watch. Find the angle between them and think where it is tilting, right? And then you can easily get the question. Now let's see one more question. Like you are asked to find 4:45 p.m. Again, what you will do? Just roughly draw. So where it is, this is 3, this is 4. So R end will be here. R end. So, and the minute will be 45, right? Till 9. First, don't see the tilt and all. Just see the angle between them. So how much is it? just check. So it's how much? This is 3 divisions and then 2 more, so 5 exactly. Again the same thing, 5 into 30, so total is 150 degree between them. But the minute has traveled 45 minutes, and because of that our hand will tilt some part. Okay, so 45 by 2, how much is it? It will be 27, sorry, 22.5, right? So 150 minus 22.5 you will do, because see it is tilting, right? You only need the angle between them, and already you have fixed this part, which is very logical, that our, our hand will tilt again this part, so you are subtracting. It's very simple. Okay, so now we'll see one more case which can I'll show how to not subtract. Not subtract doesn't mean it's a different logic, just I will put a different case in front of you, and then you will see. Don't do it even blindly that yeah we have to just subtract in this, and you can see how logical it is. There is no need to memorize like formulas which they give in booklet of any coaching XYZ institutes, like 11M or something, and R, and just put something and plug in. That's all is right, but see in this you won't even take much time, and you can see how it's happening. You can take some previous year questions of any mock test or OMETs. OMETs mean other management entrance exams, or any government exam, because they will ask you sometimes on this, so it becomes so easy. Let's see some one more example and then you try to solve it, and if you have any doubt just ask in the comment section. So what if you are asked to find 2:50 p.m., right? So let's solve. So the our hand will be at 2, and this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, right? So minute hand will be at 10. So again any angle will have a acute part and the reflexive part. I mean to say they can have like more than 180 degree or then less than 180 degree. I'm sorry, not the acute. So here you can solve it like this, or maybe the other way around. Let's see how. Angle between them is how much? The division is 12. 1 2 3 4, so 30 into 4, 120, right? Then for 50 minutes our hand will tilt, but this time it will tilt this part, right? More away from the angle which we have considered, which is like 25. So 120 plus 25, how much is it? 145, right? But this angle in this part, angle which we are getting is 145. But the question they can even ask you, tell me the reflex angle. It means the other side more than 180. So you need to take this part. So how much is it? 360 minus 145, which is nothing as 215. So as you have seen that you don't have to blindly subtract or add, just think where it is tilting away from your angle, add it, or if you're converging it, subtract it. Simple. So just try for some timings, just go and download some questions and then try it. The only important thing which you need to know is each hour the angle between them is 30 degree between any two minute or hour, and the hour hand will cover half degree and the minute will cover 6 degree per minute. And then you can, as I told you, draw, fix the minute hand, fix the hour hand, and then find the angle and then think where it is tilting, and then deal with the hour hand. It's very simple, no need to memorize anything, and once you get this logic it will be faster than any other approach, and this you will not forget easily because it's very easy to understand, right? Thank you.